Starting a business is exciting, but choosing the right business idea can be challenging. In this video, I'll guide you through key steps to find the perfect business idea that matches your skills, passion, and market demand. Number 1. Identify your strengths, interests. The best business ideas come from what you love doing and what you're good at. And ask yourself, what skills do I have? What am I passionate about? What problems can I solve? Number 2. Research market. Demand. A great business idea needs customers who are willing to pay. How to check demand? Google Trends. See if interest is growing. Social media. Look for trending topics. Competitor research. See what's already working. Number 3. Start small. Validate your idea. Before investing too much, test your idea to see if it works. Ways to test. Offer a small version of your product, service. Get feedback from potential customers. Use pre-orders or surveys to gauge interest. Number 4. Consider profitability, scalability. Some businesses make quick cash, while others take time to grow. Choose a business that fits your financial goals. Ask yourself, can I start with low investment? Does this business have long-term potential? Can I scale it in the future? Number 5. Take action, adapt. The best business idea is one you take action on. Start small, learn from mistakes, and keep improving. Final tip. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Start now and adjust as you go. What business idea are you considering? Comment below. Like, subscribe for more business tips.